Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. I am Hamimi. Today I would like to present about business statistic assignment. We are from group 5 L4T2. The topic is the number of deaths in Malaysia in 2018. The group member, we have 5 in our group. First is NADIHA binti Muhammad Ibrahim, A20A1577. Second is me, NURHANI HAMIMI binti HASSAN, A20A1596. Third is NAJWA bin Muhammad RADZI, A20A2052. Fourth is SITI Hazirah binti Muhammad Hamiruddin, A20A2315. And last is YING, A20A2027. Next is I will talk about data description. The data we get from Statistic Data Population Demography. The data is provided information about the number of deaths by states, administrative district, sex or gender, and age group from 2015 until 2018. But we just choose the year of 2018, and we select a random sample. A random sample is statistics data only. The type of variable is a qualitative variable. The variable of interest we choose is sex or gender, age group, and states. The data is a secondary data because we get it from internet.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I will present the graphical representation section. For the histogram graphs, it requires size classes, lower boundaries, upper boundaries, midpoint, and frequency. For the class boundaries, the number of the period classes without forming gaps between them. Besides that, for the upper boundaries, it needs to add 0.5 for the upper limits, where the lower boundaries it should abstract 0.5 for the lower limits. Midpoint is the sum of the lower and upper limits of the class divided by 2. Frequency polygon. To construct the frequency polygon, use the same horizontal and vertical scale that were used in the histogram level with the class midpoint, because the graph should begin and end on the horizontal axis. Extend the left side to one class width before the first class midpoint, and extend the right side to one class after the last class midpoint.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NAJWA binti Muhammad RADZI, metric number 8208052. Today, I want to present about the numerical descriptive measures. Next, we need to calculate mean. I got the answer of mean is 394.56. So the mean number of days was approximately 394.56 people. After that, we need to calculate the median. I got the answer of median is 269.28. About 50% the number of days less than 269.28 people, and the other 50% people dead more than 269.28. Next, we need to calculate MOHD. I got the MOHD class based on the highest number of frequency. The MOHD class is 42 until 2046. I got the answer of MOHD is 385.9. The highest number of dates based on age group is 385.9 people. Next, we have to know the class interval of quarter 1 and quarter 3. After that, we need to calculate the quarter 1 and quarter 3 based on the formula. And then, we need to calculate interquartile range. How to get it? The quarter 3 minus the quarter 1, and I got 369.8. After that, we have to calculate the range. How to get it? The maximum data entry minus the minimum data entry, and I got the answer is 1225. After that, we need to calculate the variance. The answer of variance is 895,346.25. And the last one is the sample standard deviation. I got the answer is 946.23 people. I think that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tanzi and my metric number is AFT20F2027. I'd like to present statistical analyzing using the software. I'm using SPSS Statistic for interactive or group statistical analyzing. Numerical descriptive measure is the number of dice in ratio 2018. In the XPSS output show that the measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, measures of skewness and frequency and the quartile and percentiles. In the measure of central tendency, there are mean, median, and mode. The mean of this data is 369.42. The median 251.15 and the mean and the mode in 81. Next, I would like to present about hypothesis testing. 5 steps of hypothesis testing. Step 1. State null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. H null equal nu1 equal nu2 equal nu3. HA equal at least one of the means is different from the others. Step 2. State the level of significance. Significance level A equals 0.05. Step 3. Compute test statistic. In ANOVA, there are between groups and within groups. Between groups in sum of squares and 143,427.095. Within groups in sum of squares and 297, 8,303.655. Total 444, 1,713.715. Step 4. Decision rule. Reject HO if F more than FA V1 and V2. Critical regions F 0.05233 equal 3.29. Step 5. Making a decision and forming a conclusion. Fail to reject HO sense 8.00 more than 3.29. Therefore, there is no significant difference between age group and number of dice. Correlation analyzing. The SPSS output shows the result of age group and number of dice. R equals 0.578. There is a moderate positive correlation between age group and number of dice. Confidence interval based on the SPSS output shows that the number of dice in ratio 2018. The 95% confidence interval for means the lower boundary and upper boundary are 249.50 and 489.68 respectively. The standard error for this dependent is 59.239. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Hazirah Muhammad Hamiruddin. My matrix number is A20A2315. Now, I will present my part for number 5 is theoretical modeling. The instruction to do the theoretical model with construct a form of multiply linear regression or simple linear regression. The theoretical I choose is simple linear regression and a format is y equal BO plus B1. We need to find B1 first before find BO. This is easier to calculate the answer. The graph shows a gender and the number of tests based on data we get from Department of Statistic, Malaysia. X is a gender and Y is the number of tests. Overall of X is 13,299 people, meanwhile Y is 13,045 people. This is a format for B1 is RSY divide XX and formula for BO is Y minus X. The answer of the number of dead is 253 plus 1.019 gender. Thank you.
Okay, for the 6.0 concluding remarks, I will explain a little bit about the content of our assignment. First is data description. The data is qualitative variable. The variable of interest we choosing sex or gender, age group and states. The data is secondary data because we got it from internet. Second is graphical representation. We choose first is histogram, second is frequency polygon. Test is numerical descriptive measure. We use 5 method. It is mean, median, modes, measure of position, measure of variation. Fourth is statistical analysis using software. We choose fourth method. For method is numerical descriptive, measure hypothesis testing, correlation analysis, confidence interval. Lastly is theoretical modeling. The result is the number of this 253 plus 1.019 gender. So all the result for calculating data in the report. That's all from us. Thank you.